So episode 3 is going to be delayed a week, but I thought I'd still give you something this Friday. So today we are doing a showroom detail on this Ford ST. It's the estate version, so it's got the longer rear end that goes slightly higher. And the car itself isn't actually too dirty. I believe the person that's bought it only got it recently. Recently in the UK, when it's been raining, it's left this kind of dust all over the cars. It's got rubber mats, it's got the nice seats. Then if you come around here, we can look in the boot. Again, the boot isn't too bad, so it should be pretty easy for the interior. But for the outside, we're going to do an initial wash, and then we will do a clay bar treatment, machine polish, and then we apply the new coating, which is our kamikaze coating, which gives you up to 8 years of protection. So now we're going around spraying our Iron Hunter fallout remover, and what this does is if it comes into contact with any fallout contaminants, so the iron, brake dust, all of that kind of stuff, it turns pink. And on the brakes itself, it's the most obvious sign because it turns quite a bright pink on the brakes all the time. And then our pre-wash snow foam, we are using Master Pre-Wash by Ultracoat. All right, so now we're gonna put the pre-wash on. The actual wheels themselves have reacted quite well, so a lot of people will tell you certain methods to put snow foam on a car. What they'll probably tell you is to snow foam from the bottom and then work your way up, because once that bit runs off, you have the bit from the top running down. But me personally, I do follow that. But as long as you cover the whole car, it doesn't tend to really be too important. I don't personally think it makes a huge difference, but I would say when rinsing off the car, you need to make sure that you rinse from the top down. Come into the garage really quick because I want to talk to you about what's going on with the Dream Car series at the moment. As mentioned at the start of this video, I've delayed episode 3 a week, and that is literally just because the weather has not been very good. So we've not really been able to get much done. And at the minute, episode 3 is only about 3.5 minutes long. And that's obviously not long enough. So I want to make that longer. So I'm delaying it 1 week whilst we get some stuff done. All right, so we're going to get the wheel cleaner now. I'm going to clean the wheels, obviously. So it's one of these big ones. There we go, the wheel cleaner. We got a big 1 litre of that. So we're going to go over to the wheel. I'll do this front one over here. And all you want to do is simply cover tyre wheel in this for the barrel inside of the wheel. So it's just this one here. It's longer so you can reach in further. And you simply just go like that. Try and get as much of it as you can. Then we got this little brush that we use for the wheel face. So a lot of detailers don't bother cleaning inside the actual wheel. They'll just do the wheel face and the tyres. But we like to do as much as we possibly can. But there obviously is a limit depending on what you're being paid to do. And then we have this brush, which we use for the tyres. So it's literally just doing that. It's nice and simple, doesn't really take any skill. Now, using the 2 bucket method, whilst I go around and do the other wheels, my dad will do the contact wash, rinse bucket, wash bucket. So you can see there, rinse, wash. So the wash one, it has the car shampoo inside of it, and the rinse one is just water. So it is as simple as it sounds. You just rinse in that one, then you reapply the car shampoo, and then you go back onto the car. So now I'm going to rinse off this wheel, and it is as simple as it sounds. Again, you just rinse off. So whilst my dad is over there rinsing off the car, I'm going to grab our drying towel. So now we're going to be drying the car. So you get your drying towel, starting with the windows, doing the box method, and then you go from the front, working your way back, doing the box method again on each panel until the full car is dry. And there we go, the car is now dry. I've gone round and dried the wheels as well. And we've put the gazebo up because it has started raining. So now we're going to machine polish this front wing using medium cut by Ultracoat. Ceramic coating has been applied to the entire car. Looks nice and shiny now. The interior has been hoovered hoovered the entire interior. So now all that's left to do, dress the tyres, and we need to clean these rubber mats.